Yeah, but actually, I can lazy to talk about this because this virus really hit me so hard. Worse, jobless, depressed. Yeah, economy hit lower. Also, I feel boring. Also, feel so easy to get bored every time. Especially when the corona came out. When the corona came here. Gak perlu panjang apa ya? Atau bilang apa gitu. So, the thing is, in general, this pandemic is really worse, getting worse, and I really hate it. And I hope next year it will get solved. Yeah, I hope someday get solved. Thank you.
Alright, any question? So, what did you do
During
this year since big day Idul Adha?
Idul Adha.
Your experience. Where have you go? Where have you been? Idul Adha. Yeah, your experience.
Yeah, like
did you went home to the village or not? Did you met with your daddy or mommy or not?
Yeah.
Did you shake hand each other or not?
We shake hands.
Yeah.
If we are afraid about virus or not, but just shake hands.
Yeah.
Because you're on family. So yeah, like that as well. Like most people visiting my oldest auntie, siblings, cousins, nephews, eating lontongs.
Yeah, eat lontong.
Yeah, eating foods. Yeah, just a few things, especially during this pandemic. Yeah, talk about corona. What else? So after that, at night, yeah, I hang out with my friend, do the same thing again, and like I said before, it's very boring. I don't know.
You don't went home to your village? You don't have village, right?
No, I don't go. Maybe I was go to but that's long time ago when I go to Sydney. I kinda like really don't know where my family from my father. So almost 10 or 15 years. So, when Idul Fitri or Idul Adha, I just visiting my family from my father around Banda Aceh.
Yeah.
Just
around Banda Aceh.
No go outside. Even never meet my family from my mother.
Why?
Because she far away.
Far away.
Far away. It's Timur. It's Java. Return.
Mashallah. Just because your bahasa is very awesome.
No, because speaking bahasa Cara, the first language taught to me is Indonesia. Yeah, I learned in Chinese in school because there is local language learning or local.
Yeah.
The teacher teach student how to write in Chinese, how to spelling, something like that, the basic stuff. Also, my father was a fan of Rafli Kande. He owned CD of Kande, so I ended getting introduced by rock music, ethnic music. Also, just trying to understand Chinese. Yeah. Actually, I really like Kande. I really like their song. First, especially the first album. Yeah, the Fighting Spirit. Yeah, really great album. Yeah, that's it.
So you don't teach somewhere you teach about bahasa Indonesia, no? Because your bahasa Indonesia very tall and awesome.
Teaching Indonesia.
Yeah, no?
And if I talk about that, also Actually, most people can speak Indonesia really well.
Yeah.
More well than
I'm going to learn with you bahasa Indonesia because I can't speak bahasa Indonesia. No, right?
Yeah. Also, teaching is not my passion.
It's not your passion.
Yeah. But if like somebody like friends like around us like this asking for help, okay, I teach. But like deciding to become a teacher, that's not my thing.
Oh yeah, I see. That is not totally not your dream, right?
Yeah.
So what's your dream future?
Just play music, survive.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, trying to get maybe some business.
Oh, business, yeah.
But mostly passion just music and movies, gaming.
Oh yeah.
Adventure.
Alright, any question for RD? Yes.
How far have you traveled during COVID-19 pandemic?
MashaAllah.
Inside or not? Not true. Yeah, even before the pandemic, I never traveled that far. The farthest is Bandung. Yeah, I really willing go to Bali someday. Maybe Papua. Yeah, but I don't know. Yes, but I will. Yeah, that's the thing.
I have a question regarding your ancestry. Do you speak a bit Java?
Oh no, not at all. Maybe only understand Westmangan. Yeah, because since a kid, the only local
Australi.
Yeah. Just commercial thing from TV or something like that. Yeah. In general, I cannot speak Japanese. Only Chinese. Yeah. But not good. Yeah.
Your mother from Japanese. Japanese. Your mother. Your father. Your mother.
Yeah.
Your mother teach you about that language. Japanese.
Only Indonesia.
Raiso atau bahasa Jawa kan?
Raiso.
Bahasanya gimana?
Good. Mau pemandu. Bu yang geprah.
Benar dari lagunya. Rapikan dia. Benar.
Alright, any question?
Do you like
Yes,
about
Kadi.
business? Do you like about business?
Not my thing, but my friend
You have
give me
business
advice
now?
if you want to earn money in some kind like RFC away from keyboard. I mean like autopilot business is a good choice for us. My friend say.
Berarti
I believe it because
you have business.
oh for now not. But I want to start selling food from very little thing and simple thing. Just start it.
Alright, any question?
How many albums have you?
Oh, I didn't follow them very much. Maybe because
He's not a die-hard fan.
yeah, not that hard fan from them, but the first album is very legit. Actually, mostly I'm more into outside music rather than Indonesia. But I like some bands too here, singer like Priscilla, also. Yeah, siapa kita kan dewas 16.
Jaring.
Oh, never get into the music. Koyo, Hoka, maybe some indie bands, but not into indie pop like these days. Drinking coffee, not into that. Yeah, mostly outside. Gambus. Oh yeah, I like the boo. I like the boo. Actually, I listen a lot of kind of music. Yeah, not just sticking with rock metal. Maybe outside, maybe some people go to Metallica. Yeah, I listen to Metallica, but not very much. Or black bands.
movie or TV show?
Movie, TV show.
Chan.
Yeah, I like Jackie Chan too.
Our president.
Jackie Chan,
You watch Netflix?
Netflix, Shameless.
No, Netflix.
Oh yeah.
Do you use the service?
I didn't own Netflix account, but I watched some of Netflix show like Daredevil.
What?
Daredevil.
Daredevil. Oh.
Yeah.
How about Money Heist?
Not yet, but I want to watch.
You will in the near future.
Because my friend talk about money heist, how the story, the character concept, and I just getting interested, but not now. I just
Yeah.
to put it.
You better give it a chance.
Yeah, someday.
Right, the last question for you. Do you still learn Dutch until now? Dutch. Dutch. Dutch.
Germany.
Yeah.
German.
Kinda pause, stop, but I want to learn, but right now just really lazy.
Yeah. Focus for your business, right?
Yeah.
Focus for your business, right?
Oh yeah.
Right. Thank you. Pick somebody else.